Do you feel trapped by your salary, like you're always running but never really getting anywhere? Have you tried starting a side hustle, looked up ways to make money online, but always ran into the same question? Where do I even start? If that's you, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan, month by month, for you to go from 0 to building up to 7 income streams in just 12 months. It's a practical, doable path that can completely transform your financial life if you stay consistent. I know exactly how that stuck feeling feels. I've been there, working hard, doing my best, and still barely covering my bills. And worse, that constant sense of insecurity, like one unexpected problem could bring everything crashing down. That's when I realized something powerful. Depending on a single source of income is living dangerously. The solution wasn't working harder. It was working smarter, by creating new ways to earn money. So I started studying, testing, applying, and most importantly, building. I stumbled, made mistakes, but over time I built income streams that still work today. Some small, others more solid, but together they form a network that gives me freedom. And what I'm about to show you is exactly what I'd do if I had to start from scratch. The truth is, most people want more money, more peace of mind, more freedom, but they don't have a clear plan. They get lost in empty promises, jump from idea to idea, and quit before results show up. That's the real problem, lack of direction. And that's what this video fixes. The plan you're about to see is simple. It's not easy, but it's possible. The idea is clear. Build one new income stream every month for 12 months. You won't try to do everything at once. You'll build strategically, step by step. And by the end of 1 year, you could have 5, 6, or even 7 income streams running at the same time. The first thing you need to understand is that this is a progressive process. You start small, with something accessible. And as you go, you gain more skills, more resources, more confidence. Think of it like a staircase. Each month is a step, and by the end, you'll be in a completely different place than you are today. Let's dive into month 1. The goal here is to monetize what you already know. We all have some knowledge, experience, or skill that's useful to someone. It could be something you learned at work, a hobby, or a life story. The mission this month is to turn that into a micro product, an ebook, a consultation, a recorded class, a PDF guide. Use tools like Canva, Notion, or Google Docs to create it. Then sell it through platforms like Hotmart or even via Instagram. The goal is to make your first sale and realize it's possible. In month 2, you'll structure a digital service, something you can offer online using just your time and a phone or computer. This could be social media management, video editing, design, copywriting, proofreading, customer support, ad management. If you don't have one of these skills yet, pick one and study it intensely for 30 days. The goal here is simple. Offer a service that delivers value and earns you immediate income. Use Instagram to showcase your offer, and platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find your first clients. Month 3, affiliate marketing. Now that you've had experience with product and service, it's time to sell something that isn't yours and earn commission. Sign up for platforms like Hotmart, Monetize, or Amazon. Pick a high-converting product in a niche you like. Promote it through content, paid ads, or simple landing pages. It's a smart way to learn about funnels, audience, building, and conversion without creating a product from scratch. Month 4, content creation. This is the month to plant a powerful long-term seed. Start a YouTube channel, Instagram page, or TikTok in a well-defined niche. Could be finance, motivation, career, beauty, cooking, gaming. The key is consistency and purpose. At first, you won't earn a dime. But within a few months, you can monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, your own products, or even sell the channel. Content creation is one of the most sustainable and scalable long-term income streams out there. Month 5, selling physical products. This is where you step into the world of merchandise. You can sell something you make yourself, like accessories, cosmetics, personalized items, or resell ready-made products. Start small, 10, 20 units. Use Shopee, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Instagram. Another option is drop shipping, where you sell without holding any inventory. The goal this month is to learn logistics, pricing, profit margin, and customer service. Month 6, income through investments. Now that you've created some active income streams, it's time to start planting for the future. Open an account with a reliable brokerage and start small, $10, $20 a month. Focus on simple products like government bonds, REITs, or dividend stocks. Learn the basics: compound interest, reinvestment, risk profile. The goal here isn't to get rich quick, but to lay a solid foundation for passive income in the medium and long term. Month 7, online courses or group coaching. By now, you've validated a product or service, so let's scale it. Create a group mentorship or an online course. Use platforms like Hotmart, eDoes, or even Zoom to structure and sell your training. This allows you to earn more while helping multiple people at once and positions you as an authority. Month 8, subscription income. Build a paid community, an exclusive Telegram channel, a VIP WhatsApp group, or a members-only site where people pay monthly to access content, tools, coaching, or networking. This is one of the most stable and recurring income streams you can create. Month 9, print-on-demand products. Use platforms like Printful or Shopify to sell t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, or other custom items without holding inventory. Just design graphics or phrases and connect them to your online store. Each sale is produced and shipped automatically. Month 10, strategic partnerships. Start positioning yourself as an authority and seek partnerships with brands, content creators, or local businesses. You can get paid to promote, co-produce, run events, or create sponsored content. This boosts both your reach and your revenue. Month 11, repurposing content into products. Take your best performing content and turn it into sellable assets. Ebooks, courses, bundles, workshops, leverage what's already working. Also, break long videos into shorts, turn audio into posts, and extend your reach with less effort. Month 12, local businesses or digital franchises. With a more stable financial base, consider investing in small brick-and-mortar ventures, low-cost franchises, dark kitchens, or even vending machines. You diversify your income and add streams that aren't 100% digital. From month 7 to 12, the focus is expansion and automation. Now that you've tested several income models, look back and analyze what actually worked. Which ones brought real results? Which ones did you enjoy? Which have the potential to scale? From there, pick 2 or 3 to double down on. That might mean investing in ads, hiring help, creating new products, or reinvesting profits. The secret is to stop jumping from one idea to the next and go deep on what's working. In these final months, you'll solidify your multi-income structure. Organize your time, separate business and personal finances, build systems, reinvest wisely. This is when the consistency pays off. Some streams start becoming automated, others grow with less effort. Most importantly, you gain confidence. Because now you're no longer relying on one income source. You built a system. Now imagine this. 12 months from now, you look back and realize you went from 0 to 7 income streams. Some small, others big, but all active. That means freedom. That means if one stream fails, others keep you afloat. That means you get to choose. And more than anything, it means you built this with your own hands. No magic formulas, just direction, consistency, and action. And if this content made sense to you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a financial breakthrough. You don't need all the answers right now. You just need to start. And now, you know the way. Financial freedom starts with one decision. What will yours be?